Hi there everybody and welcome to another video. Here at DaringBeefcake I have this Mercedes C-Class. This is a state version and that is the w204 chassis. This is a 2009 and I'm just going to show you how to check the tire pressures and how much air you should put in the tires. And we're also going to have a look at resetting the TPMS system. So that's the tire pressure monitor system that checks all your tires for punctures. So obviously if you get a puncture, the tire loses air and then you get a warning in the dash. So often if people pump the tires up, if you put air in the tires and you don't reset the system, then the system is going to show a malfunction as well. So anyway, let's get cracking. So as I said, this is the state version and we're gonna check the how much air we can put in the tires. And if you went to a place where they have this type of gauge here to put air in the tires, you may see that they have on one side it says pound per inch square and the other side says bar. So pound per inch square usually refers to PSI and the other side is just the bar, but some cars will show you the pressure in bar and also in kilopascals or something like that. So anyway, this is the most likely case scenario that you're gonna get on a gauge, and your car is usually going to give you the bar measurement. So in this particular car, if you open the fuel flap here and you look on the side, it shows you the car and it says if you carry around 3 people and a little bit of stuff in the car, you should be aiming to put 2.1 bar or 30 psi in the front and 2.3 bar or 33 psi in the back. If you're carrying 5 people and quite a lot of whatever luggage or stuff in the car, they recommend 35 psi in the front or 46 psi and 46 psi in the back, so or 2.4 or 3.2 bar. So with that information you can then go to your tires and pump them up. Now it says here warm tires up to plus 0.3 bar or 4 psi. So if you were driving the car quite a bit, the tires get warm, they recommend you to add an extra 4 psi to each tire, because it's the measurement is going to be slightly different than from cold. This car hasn't moved today, it's stone cold. So I have to put, I've already done 3 of the tires and I'm just going to show you the back one here, and I'm going to put 33 psi as recommended or 2.3 bar. The saloon version of this car, again, just check this, but as far as I'm aware, the saloon version will say 30 in the front and 30 in the back. It's just obviously this one is a little bit heavier in the back. So you will have hopefully a little cover here. You take it out and then you will plug this in there. Okay, I'm just gonna plug this in here and hopefully you can just about see the gauge there. So if I plug that in, it's at the moment it's showing me about 2 bar or 30 psi. So which in the saloon version would be fine, but in this one they recommend 33 psi. So just pump it up to 33 or 2.3 bar, and that's it. Now we put the little cover back on. If you haven't got a cover, it's not the end of the world. It's just it just protects the valve there really from corrosion and whatnot. So once you've done that, we can go into the car. Right, I've got the key here. Key, ignition. I also need to reset the service indicator there. Right, so we have a menu button. Right, let me just start this car. Okay, so with this menu button here, we're just gonna press it and toggle through the menu there. Just keep pressing it until you find tire pressure menu. So then it says R, so we're gonna press the R button here, and then it says RFI active, run flat indicator active, restart, press R. So press R again, and then it says tire, press OK. So then you have plus or minus, which is plus or minus on this side of the steering. Press plus, and it says run flat indicator restarted. And with that, you have set the car to start reading the system from now, so from whatever pressures you put in, and that's pretty much it. So it's fairly simple. So, well, having said that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.